There, Trees. Watch him and Edinburgh just connect all night. Watch for this tall string beam Paulinus. Watch for him. He's going to run all over the place and probably score one or two. Who else should we watch? We're going to watch a really tired Cryptids bench. You see how thin it is? These guys are going to be playing most of the game, so I really think that's going to be a huge factor in this game, but I hope these guys can leverage some kind of management. Hey, here's Toby Bowling. They have an extra body and one that is young. That actually really changes the game. These kids, they can run forever. Let's see another person coming out. Oh, here's Uncle Jimmy Bowling. All right, you guys got a couple bodies. All right, Toby's running back, maybe to get some equipment. Yep, he's grabbing his helmet. There we go. Opening whistle with EBHL does. Game 1, April 21st, 2025 here at Ellenberger Park, Indianapolis, Indiana. A big drop ball here. Cryptids versus Blizz. A really nice rivalry here developing. Thought we really had a thin bench, but I'll be darned if a couple bowlings didn't show up, like they always do. They're always in the area. Speaking of bowlings, I see two of them on the far side here. Uncle Joe just got here and Jake. All right, dropping the puck to Palm and Bats. Let's get it. Treves handles. Rip. The wide deflection in. Goalie has it. Face up down there. Treves checking the flex on his stick. Gets it. Picked up easily by Keaton Mulvihill. Block 8. Still in man. Bowling in pursuit. Waves up, no ice. Pressure behind the net. Here's Treves. It's just point nice with it. Nope, nice. Even better alert. And here's Zach back over the line. 3 minutes in the zone. Back to Jake. Jake looking for a nice cross ice over the Treves. Passes it deep in between the legs. No, unable to shoot. It has it pretty open. Treves dancing around. Going and blasted, deflected. Back to Zach. That may have been a blessing in disguise. Loose puck, loose puck. Ball. Sorry, ball. This is on puck hockey. Dude, I don't know why Treves get this one. Oop. Gobbled up again. Brings it around. Grace heading for it. Tony gets there first. What's it? Over Boylan. Boylan finds Edinburgh and rips it. Kowski trying to get it deep. Can't quite. Nice play there by Oliver. That was kind of dangerous. Good footwork there. Good pass. Ball is in. Again, onside and yep. There we go. Back to the D-man. There's Dahmer Avante. Beautiful. Uh-oh. Oh, might be able to beat him, but Colin really takes a nice angle. Over the ball and pulling back to Davis, maybe? Rips it. It's 7 it. Back to Toby. Toby under. There's the pass and 3 men on the one board. And there's a zone on side. Oh, Hare makes a beautiful play. Brute force just puts it away from him, but it's a face-off rather than pure puck possession. Dom, what's up, dude? He's tired. He's gonna get tired. We still have a thin bench, even though a few extra bodies showed up. Keeps it in. Nice little pass over Toad. So Toby's getting it over to Oliver, and it's set with there. Right side Hatter, see if he can get out. Over to Hare. Nope, intercepted. Hare still gets it. Nice play. Nice pass over the Bets. Bets evades Yale. He's going to get a shot. Oh, nice little in between. Nope. Hare. Ah, he's going to pop it out. That's a goal. I believe that would be Zach Betts over to Hare. I'm just calling Hare because he's got so much hair. I can't even read his name. Nice goal, brother. What a hang. He was touching the pitch. I love that player. He's always working hard every week. He got rewarded last week. And there's his zone on side. Does Hatter. Can you get it past the air? No gets it deep in his own zone. Over to Kuster. Let's see if I had a nice hustle. Yeah, it's plenty of time. No one's going to get him. Yeah, he takes that ice. Beautiful play. I love that. That's my favorite advice to novice hockey players. If there's room in front of you, take it. Get up there and make something happen, take a shot, what have you. There digs it off the sideboard. Gets it back. There gets it back. Intercepted by Joe. Joe, is he gonna, nope, over to Toby, wide. There gets Zag. Gives it a stretch pass over Hare. Hare gets it. It's a little weird. What's there? Still in. Nice poke over there by Trees. Good heads-up play. Gets the Hare. Hare pass that high slot. No one home except for Joe Bowling. It's a 2-on-3 the other way. Oh, dumps it to Marinas, gets a change. Okay, now we're going to have another one. This gets fast. See? The true streaking up there. Ooh, nice move there by Cody. Just really got a random pass. Nice like the Kuster. He rips it. Over the line. Okay, no pass in pursuit of Connolly. Ooh, nice little, nice strip. Connolly the puck, but then we get it right back. With the ball. Here we go. He's gonna rip it right on net. Has to make a save. Good shot by Kuster. Looks for the bench. Looks for Okay, 5 minutes left in the first period. This is game 1, April 21. Probably looking for the win. Probably back to Yale for a shot. Oh, Keaton looks for Iravante. He's got one of those too. Ooh, Iravante hustles in front of Polinas. Pass to Graves. Graves with a good shot. Good save by the goalie. And skips it to trees. Because he presses playmaking ability, and why wouldn't you? Ooh. Weird angle for a shot. Maybe it was a dump in. I ain't sure. You can get it. Hugs on the board. Maybe that was the wrong word. Defended at the board. Nice little pass from Jake. Just dumps it in. Not big up for a change. Yep, gets it. Tries to get past shit. It can't yet. Digs it out. Nice battle there. Still nice little foot move there, yeah. That's awesome. Alright, Keaton comes out with it. Back over to Reeves. Tags up. Nice play. Finds it. Keaton there. Looking for Boylan sets some momentum. Oh, looking for the pass. Keaton rips it wide. That's has it there. Another shot probably. Oh, nice deflection. That's over to Boylan from Ellenberger. That's a hockey play, kiddos. Nice play. That's an actual hockey play. That was sick. I was just complimenting you guys. Oh, beautiful. Compliment the line, and they're not going off, are they? No, they think they can do more. Maybe looking for it. Boylan finds it the other way. Up against Yale. Boylan, you beat him. You should have shot it. Holds up. Nice play there. Good look at Trees. Trees has plenty of options. Plenty of dudes moving at feet. Boylan, open man, center ice. Gets it over the line. Still on side, so he holds it. Oh my god. He's 1-on-4, it looks like. Trees taking time there. A little bit of fun. Stolen by Bowling. Over the top. Bowling to Bowling. Bowling has it. Just tries to rip it. Deflected by Hare. It is offside. Good effort there. Can't win them all. Ooh, is Hare going to get to it? Almost a shot on net. Hare gets to it. Hare looking for Edenburn in front. He knocks it down. Good shot. Oh, man. Can't believe that didn't go in. Kept in. Good play there. Booster trying to get it out. Yeah, this team is looking tight. Look at the Blues are just staggering. They really do move the ball off. Boom. Ripped hard by Trees, but I think that they got a piece. Edenburn looking for it. Trees, he's going to clap it again. Wide. Edenburn digs it out. No, Graves gets it. Still in. Nice play. Play the defenseman there. Dom gets it. Desperately. Oh, beautiful little lob pass over to Toby. Shit. Oh, wide open net. Graves rips it. Parmalee lost it. Toby has it. Oh, man. What a chance. Wide open net for a solid second. All right, Dom's probably going to clap it. Boom. Oh, it deflected off the body. Is it in? Oh, man. We've got no goal called on that. Ooh, lofty pass over to Silliman. He's onside, but he kind of trips trying to be onside. Plus, the time is running out. That was like a Hail Mary play. Look at that, guys. Shoot. Really epic first period. Holy cow, what a game. But yeah, Blues are up 2-0. Commanding lead. I think it's only going to get commandinger because these Cryptids are tired. Let's see if they can regroup for the second period. All right, about ready to start the second period here. 13 on the clock. Black versus blue. Sounds like a grudge match. All right, dropping the ball in the second period here. 13 minutes on the clock. Onside. Ball is taken up. Onside. He bobbled it. Pressure. Gets a rip wide. Flipped up high by 2. That is an icing. Uh-oh. Gives the boys the chance to breathe a little bit. That works. Rip, wide, but still in play. Just gonna corral it. Good shot, but it doesn't get to the net. Flips it up. Oh man, nice pass to the. After you took the right angle and had the foot speed, I wasn't paying that much attention. Unable to catch up to the pass. Darren's just got this crazy vision. That was a beautiful idea. Unable to convert. Here we go. Ooh, almost a false start. Oliver totally flinched there. I saw that. He hesitates again and they lose the drop. Ooh, yeah. Yes, it brings it off the glove.
Whoa!
We have an icing call. Yeah, I don't believe it made any contact. Did you touch that? It didn't. I couldn't see
That's
it.
lack of athleticism. That's on me. I thought you touched it right there.
Just love it. This is a tough game. This is a lot of cardio, that's for sure. Oh, right to Toby. That must have been the play. Probably jumps it. Bowling with the foot. So to get the deep. Joe with the foot, maybe. Giving support. Good. Nice pass over to Cooster. Flips it. Ooh. Gave it right to the bad guys. Gave it right back to the gym. Yep. Straight over by Boyle. Went to that one. Pass it right up front. It wasn't the first shot. It wasn't the second shot. But you give these guys enough shots, they're going to bury them. Still dumps it in. Pass up the middle. Boy, still could not get it over the line.
Still in.
Good effort. Could not get it over the line. Stick there. Keep a nice little perimeter. Righted by Ellenberger. Nice pass. He's doing double team. Down Bridget. Toby and Dom are doing the dumping cycle. I love it. Oh, wow, another goal. That ties this game up. All right, just over 7 minutes left in the second period. We're the halfway point of the game. It's a high score, 2-2. Everybody's blood's a boil, I think. Everybody's warmed up by now. Oh, he rips it. He gets there, look at the pressure. Make sure he doesn't handle him too aggressively. Look at somebody flying farm. Unable to get through. Hatter grabs it. Nice pass over to Hare, but intercepted by Don Levante. With the deep. Shoot, nice rip by Oliver. I didn't know he had that. Ooh, Beth saw the opportunity. Nice ref there. That's a shoe that fall off. That was so funny. That was the funniest little twisty dance. tip is stolen. That's Linus has it, yeah. Met with big pressure, he dumps it in. That may be icing. It is. Good defensive pressure led to the dump in, which is going to lead to a face-off. Like, nice mini play within the play here. See if Plainus can win the drum. We can get a shot at it. He does. Oh, nice D by Oliver. Again, nice D by Oliver. Beautiful heads-up pass. Oliver's having a hell of a shit. I think that hits the Raptors with that whistle. He calls for it. Goes rink wide over to Jake. Beautiful pass off the board. Pass loses it. Regains it. Cryptid passes it deep. Of the bowling. Bowling still has it. Cryptid fires wide. Oh, Silverman makes a poke. They both miss it. Stillman got caught a little bit. Then he had two men on a hard. There's Ben Bowling entering the rink surface with combat boots. This kid's nuts, but we already knew that. Look at him go, and his tape is still ripped on the butt of his stick from last week. Dangling in the wind. Toby and Ben can have a nice little connection here. Deflected. Team Ben fires. Nope. Ooh, nice play there. He's pulling a little bit. Stillman fires, deflected. Wasn't going to get there. Huge pass it back there. Stillman fires, deflected again. High stick. Yep, good cover. Alexander bets early on. Yep, high stick deflected there. It's solid. Home takes he had a frame just over 1 minute in the second period left to play. Scores tight 3-2. That's up to Boylan. It's up to Toby jumps it. He's been clumping around in his combat boots. Intercepted again by Toby. Just lurked to the center ice. Over to Edinburgh, rips it. And that's the end of the second. That puts the Blues ahead 3-2. Ignore that. There it is. Perfect timing update, guys. Does Guardian cut his hair off? From here it looks like a chop. Could just have it tucked in his shirt. Who the hell knows? I don't have hair, so I don't know if these are things. Alright, here we go. About to line up for the beginning of the third period as Toby fixes his tiny little shin guards. Steel toe, baby. Oh my gosh, he just knocked. Gives us a woo. It always gives us a good woo. All right, that puts the Blues up 4-2. Y'all has it. Oh, just kept in. Yep.
Freeze!
Ooh, I was going off that body. Oh, good idea there by Hatter. I think the goalie got to it.
Nope.
Bowling answer passes it up to Bowling. Bowling. This is the shot. Tap close to Bowling. Two-strokes pursuit. Stillerman checking. Stillerman races him out. Oh, he scores! Holy cow. Look at that coast-to-coast effort by Stillerman. Nice work. Almost like pizza there on the sideboards. Out-hustled him. Wow, really nice play. Takes a lot of speed to do that. Cruiser's a fast boy, a strong boy. Fires it. Look at Jake. Right in front of the net. Dumps it, still in his zone. No. Over to Connolly. Connolly gets it over the line over to Oliver. Oliver in the range. Gets it past Stillman and deep. He's a player. Nice pass over the backs. Good vision there. He's got Bowling as an option. He's got Pivot as an option. Pivot far side. Puts in front. Even gets good. Nice angle there over to Graves. Just the top of there. Nice angle play there by over to Oliver by Collins. Ties it wide. in the zone, yeah. Perfect timing to get a shot off right before that line. Okay, that's going in. That's the beat. Just over 9 minutes to play in the game. 5 seconds to lead. Get through the zone. Save. No shots yet. Boiling speed. Gets over to Edinburgh. Joining, but Dom has it. Always makes good decisions with the ball. That's all you can do here. Nice body there. Oh boy, heads right in front of his own net. Risky play. I know he's regretting that. You don't see what's going on with the 6-2 up. Let's see if he can get his head back in this game. I think he's having a little bit of climbing to do here. We're down by 4. Still loose. Hope he gets it. Ooh, looking for the board stuff. Remus reads him like a book. Dude's attempts to fire. If he made contact with that, that was going to be a rip. Hogan does not get over the line yet. Onside. Yale heads back. Alright, we have an icing call. Rips it, hits the post. Creeves looking for Boylan. Gets past 2. Oh, beautiful pass right on the tape of Boylan. Kalimas is there too. He elects to pass to Edenburn. Still held in well by Kalimas. Family buddies him off the ball. Nice play there. Really strips him back. Nobody looking for help. Nobody's moving. On the floor, it's back to Toby. Oh, there's been bowling. I think we were losing the play. There's the bowling collection potentially. Oh, the bowling collection. There we go. Joe Bowling. Passes to Toby Bowling. Over to Yale. Yale rips it in front, deflected by Joe Bowling. Joe Bowling looking for Ben Bowling. Toby Bowling in pursuit, has it. Toby Bowling. Oh, he passes over to Joe Bowling. Toby Bowling in pursuit of the ball. Ben Bowling after it. It's in. There, deflected off a body and looked like a good opportunity. Potter is going to get out of zone. Power play. Oh, no, it's over. Yep, good call. That play's over. Yeah, that is an icing call. He gets it, blasts it, wide, hits the bottom of the net, back of the net. The bad bag, not the good bag. This is excellent call by the way. No way saying on the play. Cooster gets it. Cooster by Patter. Kept in by Bowling. And now, Reeves has it. Misses it. Yale gets it away from him. As I would advise, give it some Reeves. Reeves doesn't it. Gets it with them Bowling. Good idea. Stillerman. Ooh. Kept it by Cooster. Nice pass over to Yale. Yale rips it, but wide. Fired. Oh, shoot, that hits the post. Keaton banged post there. I don't even think he was trying for it. Always best friend, eh? Steve's looking right for Tribbett, finds him. 4-45. Oh, Jake gets a good shot right in front. Here's another one. Ah, just wide. Oh, good keep there by Treves. Has slot over the bets. Saved. Bowling wanting to get it out of the zone here. Looks like Mr. Carver towards the zone net. Yeah, those will get it right back. Oliver Bowling heading towards the net. And right back out. Dom. Into Darren. Dom 1. Oh, beautiful pass by Bowling. Backhand behind the back kind of thingy. Oliver. Dom. Keeps in the zone. Beautiful play. Williams has it. Pitches Oliver. Doing the board bash. Over to Tribbett. Nice pass. Classic. Edinburgh goal. Halima started that whole play. He did the little board pass on the near side right under my feet. It's tough to capture doing an angle, but right over to Tribbett. Tribbett's at Edinburgh, and they ripped it. The Wizards are rolling tonight. Nice pass over to Joe Bowling. Joe Bowling looks for Toby, finds him, wide open net. Took a little too long to shoot. I think puck loose, still in the zone. Keaton gets it over to Cooster. Cooster takes the ice, shoots it wide. Toby has it. We have a delayed penalty call. Empty net. I heard 55 blue. Yeah, 57 blue. Polina's going away for tripping. I think a little too late. We got, 5 seconds left in the third. 7-2. We have a stop clock. I think they're going to get 5 goals in 5 seconds. Do you think steel-toed Ben Bowling is that good? 5 goals, 5 seconds. This isn't some Reggie Miller stuff. No way. Alright, they're calling it. 7-2 final. Blizzard over the Cryptids. It's game 1, April 21st. Signing off. Whitaker here with your official from lovely Ellenberger Park.